I have this Smeg microwave oven and the light bulb is broken, so I'm going to be replacing it now. So this is the back of the microwave. There are 4 screws. I've taken 2 off already, one here and one here. There's another one here and one here. So we'll just undo it and then we'll pull this piece back. Okay, so the 4 screws are undone. Now I'm just going to pull it back. It will just come out. So these pieces here, this edge here are quite sharp, so be really careful. I'll just take that out. And next we have to remove this piece. There's one screw here that we have to undo. So this piece we just lift it out. And then next there are 2 screws that have to remove, one here and one here, and that will take this piece out. So before lifting it out, I'll just unplug this. And this will just come out. So the light bulb is actually just in here. With this, we just pull back and there's the broken light bulb. So this glass here, we just have to press this down and the glass will slide out. This is already broken, so I can use my bare hand to take this out. When I put the new one, I won't use my bare hand. So there's the new bulb that's in place. It's a 120 volt, 20 watts. I actually use a plastic glove so that I don't put any of the oil on my hand or my finger on the bulb. So this will just slide in. So I put the glass back in and I'm going to push this tab back up so that it will prevent the glass from coming out. And then we'll just place it back. So I've got this piece back in, replug these 2 wires, and then here's the original bulb. It actually had no markings on it at all. But I found out that it was a 120 volt, 20 watts. So it's testing it. Now we've got lights. Okay, so I've got this piece back in. Now we're gonna go from the back and slide this piece in. The thing you have to watch out for is these bits here and up here. They have to go over this piece. That's what holds the sides together, top and sides together. Okay, so now I've got the side in place. So see, it's not popping out over here. And now all that's left to do is put the 4 screws back in, and that's all done. Thanks for watching.